Okay, so today we're gonna try Pike freezes, or not really Pike freezes just yet, but the progression to Pike freezes. And I learned this from a YouTube video by Jump Tricks, and he showed the progression as just going into handstands with in a tucked position, so handstands, tucked position, and then from there what you have to do is let go of one arm or bring one arm up and try to sort of bring your chest up as well, and then your hips have to rotate with your chest. So basically everything rotates. I've tried it once, I haven't tried it much, so hopefully I don't fall and hurt myself. Let's see. Something like that. I'm not sure if I had good form or anything, but I'll be practicing it, and eventually you're supposed to stick one leg out and then the other leg, and then that's a Pike freeze. So this is not a Pike freeze tutorial at all. This is just a video of me trying to do Pike freezes, or the progression. So let's go ahead and just rep that a couple times and see how far we can get. So let's stabilize that first. Okay. It's not very good that I can't see myself because I can't tell if I'm doing it right. But I'll just watch at the end of the video. Let's try with left side. I'm trying to get both sides to practice airflares. Also hand hops. Confused. Okay, yeah, it is that big. It's weird because whenever I do handstands, I think I kick, I have my right leg in front of me, and then whenever I do one-handed hand hops, I also have my right leg in front of me. So I should have my left leg for my left arm. Just trying to emulate that right now. I think I got confused just now. Okay. Okay, and then I'll twist. Okay. So this time I actually looked up. This is something I need to figure out whether or not I'm actually supposed to do that. I know for hand hops it's better to look at your arms or look at your hand for now. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So technically I just did it wrong, but I also know for air chairs though, there was a tendency to look up, and this somewhat feels like air chairs. I've only ever been able to hold an air chair for like two seconds, but haven't done that in a while. But this feels sort of similar in some ways in terms of the whole form or shape of your body. You're just not like... Okay. So let's just see. I'm gonna try this, and if I fall and fail and hurt myself, then I'll revert back. But I'm going to have one leg sticking out. I'm trying to think about which one I want, or which one I should stick out. I think for L freezes, I stick out my left leg, so let's go ahead and do the same for this one. So after I tuck, I just need to point this one out. Okay, I ended up looking towards the camera, which again is what I talked about earlier, which is something I'm not supposed to do, or maybe I am supposed to do that for pike freezes, but if I'm practicing for hand hops, then that's not good. I'll definitely look that up right after this video, and then for the next time I try this again, I'll know for sure. But for now, I'll try to keep an eye on my hand this time. I think I tried extending both of my feet this time by accident, but it didn't feel terrible, so that's good. Okay. I honestly have no idea how it looks either. It could be not even resembling a pike, but it feels like I'm doing the right thing. Okay, so for left-handed out freezes, my right foot is the one. That was a bad out kick. My right foot is the one that extends, so let's go ahead and try that. Whew. And extend and out. I'm always afraid of kicking this couch. I think I need to move this thing a little bit more that way. Sometimes my leg gets confused. It's like it keeps extended versus tucking and then extending. Just gotta remember to tuck first. I ended up looking up again. Okay, so that's gonna be my first try for the whole progression thing. I think what I really need to do is figure out where my eyes should be going, because that changes a lot of things. And I'll try one more. Honestly, I'm not even sure if I'm doing it correctly, but it feels fun to try. No, that was terrible. I think I had it better before, but that's gonna be it. Let's try 2 single-handed hand hops and call it a day. Crap. I'm not supposed to do that. I'm supposed to just go into it one-armed. Okay. The left one is still terrible, but I haven't been practicing full on, so this week I'm going to try my best to get practice in every single day, and let's see how things go.